So ano ba yung solution ng US citizen at saka ng Pilipina para sila ay pwedeng magpakasal? There are two potential options, at least sa Philippines. Una, declaration of absolute nullity of marriage, at saka the other one is annulment of marriage. So there are different grounds sa declaration of nullity, and then there are also grounds for annulment of marriage. So kailangan i-assess yung situation ng Pinay at yung Pilipino niyang asawa kung pasok ba sa declaration of nullity na grounds or annulment of marriage. So ang goal ng declaration of nullity and marriage at saka annulment of marriage is for the marriage to be declared as void kung nullity at saka annulled kung annulment. So they're two different things. But the practical effect is that the parties after the annulment or nullity is pwede nang makapag-asawa. So this process